In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt, password protect, and set permissions for a PDF using Power Automate. This is a handy skill to ensure your documents remain secure and are accessed only by those who have the right privileges. Let's walk through the process together, one step at a time, to ensure you can replicate this in your own workflow. We begin by creating the flow in Power Automate, a powerful tool that automates repetitive tasks and integrates with various applications. Our journey kicks off by triggering the flow. For this task, we're using the When a File is Created trigger from the OneDrive Personal Connector. You'll want to select the folder where your PDF files will be uploaded. This is where the flow will start its magic as soon as a new file hits that folder. Next, we need to get the content of the file that was just uploaded. Here, you'll add the Get File Content action, again from the OneDrive Personal Connector. This allows us to use the file identifier from the trigger, enabling the system to retrieve the content of the newly uploaded PDF seamlessly. Now comes the key part: encrypting and password protecting the PDF. For this, we're adding the PDF Secure action, which is part of the Encodian connector. This is where you configure a few essential parameters. First, for file content, use the output from the Get File Content action. Then, it's time to set a strong password to ensure your PDF is well protected. Remember, the strength of your password can make a significant difference in security, so choose wisely. Next, you'll select the desired encryption level, such as AES 256, which is known for its robustness. Finally, specify the permissions you wish to set for this PDF, whether it's allowing or denying actions like printing, copying, or modifying the document. This action will apply the necessary encryption, password protection, and set user privileges. After securing the PDF, we need to save this newly locked-down version of the document. Add the Create File action once more from the OneDrive Personal Connector. You'll specify the folder path where you'd like the secured PDF to be saved. This is important for organizational purposes and future access. Set the file, name and file content using the outputs from the PDF Secure action. This step ensures that your newly protected PDF is stored correctly and easy to find. And there you have it. By the end of this process, you'll have a fully encrypted and password-protected PDF with specific permissions set, all automated through Power Automate. Not only does this save you time, but it also ensures your documents are handled securely. Thanks for tuning in and happy automating. And Tom Misher.